to remember nowadays would be sad.
Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are I'm going out to check out my friend's car. He's currently rebuilding it at a workshop in town in Kajang. Okay, he is a school friend of mine. He has I'm not sure what year it is, but it is a Proton Satria, and this car has already gone through quite a lot of different mods, and right now he is doing a full engine rebuild. I've been seeing the build for quite some time now on his Instagram page, and I was like, why not? Can I just meet up and we'll try to do some video about it. And so we're gonna go and check out the car. Okay, I'm on my way there right now, and I'll catch you guys once we get there. Okay. This is where they do engine rebuilds, track rebuild cars, and a whole lot more if you want to do. And currently we have here, what's the name again, bro?
Vignesh.
Here we have Vignesh. He's the one that's rebuilding my friend's car over there inside. We'll take you to that later. And we were just talking about this Kanchil actually.
No, not me rebuilding, my friend there.
Oh, sorry, sorry. One of the guys rebuilding it. Okay, so we were talking about this Kanchil earlier. This is actually going to be turned into a drag 3D car. Okay, and what engine were you putting in again? The
L2S.
L2S, and it'll be with a turbo, obviously, right? Yeah. Okay, and so basically, it's currently it's stripped down, everything. And they've already sold most of it, you know, the parts and all that, so they're going to convert it into a stock Kanchil body. Previously it had a Mira what body you name it again? The L2S body. How many inch piping is that? 3 inch, all the way to the back.
Yeah, all the way to the back. But I think we won't use the piping anymore. Tembak atas.
Food exit.
Food exit.
That's why I was waiting for the owner, because I want to interview him a bit about what happened to him, because from NA went to turbo and then you balik NA balik.
You asking from his first engine until now, there's a very big story. There's enough content for you.
Because last time
1.3, 1.6, 1.8, NA, GSR,
Ush.
Mavic Turbo, and now my 10 months of engine, bro.
How many engine you change for your Honda?
1.7, 1.7,
2.8.
No turbo.
no way.
After MCU, you guys are doing what on the car actually?
Everything back.
Fixing, rebuilding the airbag.
What block is this, Avinet? This one? 1.8, which one? For which model one?
This is a single cam, 4G93.
4G93 single cam.
Yep. The block was same lah, just the difference is the shade only.
So right now we are just waiting for the owner, my friend, to come over so that we can do a bit of a review on his car. And yeah, so that is his brother right there. Okay, and they're currently working on I think it's a radiator fan or something like that. They're just fixing it. So I just got a text from my friend, and he said he'll be here soon. After that, we'll just go over to his car and we'll just talk more about it. And by the way, this block is actually his. They are rebuilding it right now. So they are just going through the cleaning part of it. This block is a 3-cylinder block for that blue Kanchel over there, which they are currently going to make as a track car, which is a drag racing car. And yeah, so basically they are just cleaning it right now. And so I'm not sure what they are going to do today, but let me just take you to the car and just show you what is it all about. So here's the car. As you can see, with its purplish pinkish engine bay, the engine is removed. It's been sitting here quite a while. It's been getting a full rebuild of this car. Previously he had quite a few numbers of builds already done, and different body kits, different body parts, different wheels, everything. Shifter are you using each other?
Just the bushing missing.
Bushing ini missing. Okay. Sun stock engine or
Stop.
semua stock?
Everything stop.
Head bottom GTI. Bolt on.
Bolt on.
Basically kena racun lah bro.
That happens to everyone, bro. Almost everyone.
Oh,
racun.
And if you're Tarmin,
Ayo, that one. actually, because of him only, I was into Satria also, but I couldn't get my hands on one. And his brother went to a different line already lah.
different category.
That's right.
Abang H, you call him.
Huh?
Abang.
Yalah, abang H.
Took out the head, overhaul the bit, bottom stop, head stop, tambah head gasket, bolt on kit GSR.
How much was the horsepower again?
1.6.
1.6.
1.6 plus.
0.7%.
0.7 double.
And when people do like bolt-on and the other type of turbo, actually what's the benefit and the what do you call that? Positive and negative side of it, like any difference or whatever.
That only one negative, bro. Spending too much of money.
Petrol usage.
True, so.
Forget about economy lah.
I mean, like, if let's say a person would like to put a turbo on their car, which one you recommend? Bolt-on or the other way?
Depends on their cost, man.
It depends on your cost. If you cheaper, then bolt on, bro. If you want to do it proper, then just rebuild it.
In Tamil they say what? கொஞ்சம் என்ன இருக்கு
கொஞ்சம் விரிச்சிச்சு.
இல்ல பவர் ஜோக்கா வெட்டி இருக்குது.
3 வருஷம்.
ஏய் இதெல்லாம் சொல்லி கொடுக்கவே இல்லடா. அவனா 3 வருஷம்ன்றறா.
கூட 2 வருஷம் ஒரு மேட்ச்னால 3 வருஷம்.
ஆமா.
ஒரே ஒரு மேட்ச் பேப்பர் யாரு? இவனே கூட்டல ரூபன். ரூபன். அவன் அழுவா. அவரு நண்பா. அப்புறம் அவன் வந்து நண்பா.
நண்பா.
நண்பா. மெட்ஸ் கிளாஸுக்கு போலாம். இவன் 2 பேரும் 2 வருஷம் பாஸ் 3 வருஷம் படிச்சாங்க. எதுக்கா 2 பேரும் அதே மெட்ஸ் கிளாஸ் தான். அது 2 பேரும் பாஸ் ஆயிட்டீங்களா? இல்ல ஆஃப் ஆயிட்டீங்களா? 2 பேரும் பாஸ் ஆயிட்டீங்களா?
What are you doing? Connecting the power.
Because the previous socket is not same. So you have to reconnect it over here.
டிகிரியா? டேய் அவன் ஃபவுண்டேஷன் செஞ்சு ஒரு டிகிரி பண்ணான். கிலோமீட்டர்
So basically, just rebuilding it how it's supposed to be like.
Yep.
Hey, ஆமா. நுபுதிக்கு போறீங்க.
And this one is also?
இன்னும் சுதரா.
Not really. Not really.
இது HD converting to full cam. Single cam.
Oh.
Basic everyone system and head is nasty for flow. Wiring standard lah, wiring.
So guys, as you can see, this is the owner of the car. Please introduce yourself.
I am Jagveen. My age is 26. Yeah, should be 26 lah.
And this is his
396 GTI convert.
what year is this Satria again?
Satria C96 1.3. So basically, when I bought this car, it's born stock 1.3 video. So from 1.3 video to 4G92 1.6, 4G93 NA, GTI, and then GSR. I think I changed about 2 blocks already. This one is 3rd block. My back.
I see.
So I changed to lastly my back turbo, then discontinued everything, changed to my back NA balik lah. Because I plan to get another car, so funding for that car too.
Funding to be the one to be the like the race car, and this one like the
normal,
daily.
This one like
This one
weekend car lah. This one weekend car, that one will be the daily lah.
Because actually I think since 2012 I've been.
Well, yes, yeah, I bought this car 2012 July, so
Yeah.
this year is going to be 8 years.
Because
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, plus 8 years. July 8th. So I got the car on July 8th.
every time I see this car from last time until now, you had the body kit with the big lights and all that, and then the white wheels, the rota rims and all.
Few bumper.
Yeah.
Few bumper is like not fitting it. I mean like it doesn't fit perfectly to the hood. There will be a gap, huge gap. I think your hand can go.
Can just go inside, open the hood.
Yeah, can go inside. So I only the thing like the front bumper is original. Then there's few. The important part to convert the GTI is the front bumper. You can see obviously.
Yeah lah.
Because the back bumper also you can see, but you need to go.
Like people
check
don't really
thoroughly,
that
then
know
you can-
about that. Yeah. And then of course you have the over fenders, the
Fenders, this is still fiber, but the screws are normal Allen key screws. The Ash Satria GTI's original screw is I think one piece around 8 ringgit I think. So one set I think this one got 16 screws I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 16 screws.
then the name GTI
GTI that
16
one fiber. That's one fiber.
And the main question here is like, why from turbo back to NA?
Yeah, the one previously I told you that I'm funding for another car.
Funding for another
So
car.
I'm saving up some cash. So I sold off everything. So saving up the cash maybe next year lah to get another car. Or maybe that. So this one will be NA back. Just for normal children weekend maybe.
Yalah. And
Basically from scratch I'm doing that. Inside I stripped everything already. So
yeah, I was looking at the inside, like the
I stripped off everything already. So I see a lot of what they call dust, debris and everything inside.
that's
Since I bought this car, I never stripped the interior, so took off everything. I just wanted to clean it up,
so basically the reason of stripping the interior is just to
clean it up.
bawa balik semua lah.
Yeah, from scratch. So
And
now,
the color of the engine bay,
Uh,
what made you choose that color?
I thought of being different, but it turned out to be different also. But I don't know. Some they laugh at the color because I want it to be something different. I don't know lah. Maybe a failure. Maybe it's my choice. Really, I was planning for candy purple.
Candy purple. And this is like mixture of purple and pink.
Pearl pink.
Pearl pink.
Pearl pink. That's it lah. Nothing much actually. So this should be my 5th or 6th engine now. Nothing much because now everything was standard. Just I think I broke the engine. I think 1.6 engine. Then GSR. The rest are I cukup power to the engine.
And I remember you telling me last time there was an incident. Remember we meet up at the mama shop or something? That was before you put in the turbo, right?
Before.
You were saying something about the engine during you're going on Kasans and then something happened, like blown or something like that.
Couldn't remember what was it because a lot of incidents happened. In this part of all accidents, engine part, it was in the cast, yes. A lot of incidents, I couldn't remember which one.
And what kind of horsepower were you making on the turbo that time?
The stock was 241 bar, 1.2 bar, I pushed it max, the tuner pushed it to the 1.2 bar, 1.26 something. Finally touched 260 horsepower stock lah.
260 stock.
For G93, just turbo is from Evo 3, wiring Evo 3, piggyback manage. That's all. That was the highest horsepower we got. Myback turbo, for Myback turbo we didn't horsepower. I mean we didn't dyno tune it. So before even finish the running engine, we took out engine.
Right.
Sold it everything kecai lah. The block is still there. Block is sold actually. The buyer
Haven't picked it up yet.
yeah. Basically, forge engine lah. CP pistons, BC controls, king bearing. Heat is inside. Heat is room temperature. This is the single gang engine for the blue Satria.
For the blue Satria.
Yeah, blue Satria. This one is bottom is Myvac. Bottom Myvac 82 mm, 1.8 block. 8 single cam. So maybe the customer will buy high cam and will be fixing it up. So
This is yours.
Myvac is upper deck. So lower deck is over there. Lower deck, and then this is a pot polished head from Nasty Head, Nasty Pot Flow. Nasty Pot Flow. You can see the, I don't know if you can see or not. Yes.
Try to get there.
So Nasty Pot Flow. The valves are titanium valve, flat valve. The valves are over there. So you can see it's a flat valve. Standard valve will be something like this. There will be a concave over here. So this is a flat valve. That's it lah.
And
Nothing special actually.
as you know, I'm not really that good with these parts, but what's the difference between flat and concave?
The compression inside the chamber lah.
I see.
So this one you can see there's a concave here. So this one will be the compression will be high lah. Some more this one is lighter than the standard valve.
Is it?
This is titanium wall.
Oh, that's titanium. That is
This
steel.
is the normal steel.
Normal steel.
Yes.
And it's bigger, so right?
Yeah, it's bigger
Yeah.
but lighter than these small valves.
Ah.
Only the intake part is titanium. This one is standard one. This is exhaust valve. This is intake valve.
I see.
Previously, this is my previous helper. So buyer GSA, abang GSA, buyer baru.
So you're gonna be happy with that lah.
Yeah, the buyer is someone we know lah. From Kajak, so abang GSA wajah.
Oh, wajah.
Yeah, we should know.
I don't think I would know, but I think I would know if I see.
From heavy footers.
Oh, okay.
So that's it lah. That's all for nothing much. That's all. Because
So-
basically everything is standard.
And what's the pipe size?
This one is from turbo.
So you're gonna
this
be
was
changing,
3
right?
inches, yeah. So we'll be changing to maybe 2.3 or 2.5 inches.
And after this engine, what's next?
After this market,
After this?
I think I will be doing this car anymore. So this will be the last changes of this car. The ABS last, I think I won't be doing this car anymore because this is the last bit.
Just weekend, dating car, going out.
Pardon?
Just for going out for a drive and
Just
all
for
those kind of
normal
things.
chill drive or meet up.
You know.
Nothing much.
And the brakes, any stock brakes or
Evo 3 twin port.
Evo 3 twin port?
These are parts from our country. We are doing a project.
The drag build car.
Drag car. So
Everything is out, back seats, all the pieces, carpets, all the in there.
we are actually planning for drive lah. Because 1 year plus it's in bookshop.
Yeah, lah, at least once you build it, breathe, going out for a
After
drive.
running in, after the diagnosis process and everything, I just want to go for a chill ride, maybe getting or some Guruyam ride.
And all, if you don't mind telling, like, how much you think it's costing?
I actually, honestly, I didn't calculate anything because I don't want to get heartbroken because I spent all my saving and everything on the tree already. So by selling all the turbo parts and everything, I got back around
Yeah,
2K lah. So putting it back into saving because I don't want to spend any more on this car anymore. So I'm saving for the next car.
That's why they always say that you have to kena ada minat, and the money is like, even though you have
I don't regret spending on this car because at the end of the day I got back my money after selling it back.
because cars like this, if you use the parts and you sell that, there's only someone else that's going to use it and do it as well.
There's always going to be a demand for the parts unless the standard part
Yeah lah.
for nowadays it's very hard to sell the standard parts like standard ball rods, standard pistons, very hard to sell. But for the performance part and everything, it's easy to sell. The Abang Volto Turbo.
Yeah, just talking to him just now also about his car. Finish already?
Oh, the rain.
Rain. Yes, bro. Malaysia now raining. And this part here, is it going to be like that?
Most probably I'll be changing the bumpers.
Same.
Or maybe I got a different idea. I saw in Satria Society on Instagram. Maybe I'll be doing something like this. Things don't have line now.
Yeah, it's hard.
I'll tell you the picture later. Because you can see there's a closure over here. People closing it up with panels here.
Yeah.
Sheets. Maybe I'll try like that.
Because with this body kit, it really makes the car look like a type of a sports car already.
If the paneling thing, custom thing is ready, then I'll change the bumper lah.
Yeah lah.
Because all these things, gigit independent, macam kena gigit anjing.
Oh,
See?
This one is not smooth. The surface are not smooth.
And the lip, is it GTI lip or R3?
EU, not the original.
No original lah.
Not the original. Usually people go for fiber, but I actually install fiber lips twice and broke it. Usually very fragile.
Yeah, fiber. That's the problem with fiber. It breaks very fast.
A bit pricey lah, 200 plus I think. 200 plus. But now I think you can get for 180 only.
Yeah.
PNP. Just put a 2. PNP for original GTA bumper lah. Let's say you're using a PU bumper or fiber bumper, you need to cut the existing lip and screw it.
Now which gearbox you gonna put in this?
I'm putting back standard stock gearbox lah. N5, N2 and 1. Stock gearbox. Any gearbox. Previously it was 4-wheel lock 2-wheel gearbox, GSR. So it went back to the stock. We got it for me. So everything complete lah. Flywheel clutch, cross member, subframe, everything. One shot jalan. The guy shot and everything.
So right now, once you convert back to what my back. Sorry. Are you gonna look for like you're gonna expect like power, like gila power or
just a decent power? I want it to be safe. The engine to be safe. I don't want to rebuild it back. I just want it to be safe. The AFR tune, dyno tune, tuning cantik, AFR cantik, tuning very smooth. I'll be just happy with it lah. I don't want to push it to next. That's nice.
because sometimes it happens to some people, like they put back the engine and then they see the charts and all that, they'll be like, I need more power in this. Like suddenly the mind will change. That one like and then the person will be there and explain to them, and then their feeling will be like tukar.
Maybe after we go for high.
So here it is, guys. So the Satria GTI conversion, which had a couple of engine rebuilds and engine swaps done to it. Thank you so much for Mr. Tarmin to let me see his car unfinished, okay? And hopefully you'll be able to get it done soon and go for a drive. Yeah, after Raya, after whatever is happening around now over, because we don't even know when this thing going to be over so soon. And yeah, so maybe we'll make another video about that. But right now, we have already seen the car. We have already seen the process build and the explanation from the owner itself. So
the engine builder.
Yeah, as I was looking at the engine builder, that is Vignesh, right?
Yes,
He's Vignesh. He also has a 4G 63 Satria. I believe on the yellow one with the body conversion now. Okay.
Body conversion. It's a 4-wheel
Yeah.
now.
On that note, it's a 4-wheel drive. And yeah, so basically that's everything. So I'll put in the link of the Instagram of all this in the description, and you can just visit their build and see the progress of it. So on that note, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to share. I'll see you all in the next video.